This morning we have a small-ish buck converter. Put the actual eBay listing in the where you can see it. This thing is called, well, there's the eBay listing and then there's the information on it. It is a 10 amp synchronous rectification buck CVCC power module. It's supposed to work from 36 volts max and can produce voltages between 1.2 and 32 volts. Let's see here. It is supposed to be able to do 10 amps continuously. I have not had a chance to test this, at least not with anything even coming close to that. Actually, I'm looking at the instructions right now, or the information on it, and it's, as usual, there's what they claim, which is 10 amps, but it says in the information 5 to 6 amps continuous and 8 to 10 amps with additional cooling. So I guess if you for some odd reason they skipped 7 amps, I don't know why. So somewhere around 6 or 7 amps you need to put some cooling on this. It's a double-sided board, and most of the components are on this side. And probably your best bet would be to put some of that thermal conductive padding, or whatever this stuff's called, and mount a heat sink to this side. The holes for the standoffs are 3mm. It supposedly runs at 150 kilohertz, 98% efficiency. Does not have any short circuit protection on the input or the output. Well, I'm sorry, hold on a second. It does have short circuit protection using constant current. It does have over temperature protection, or claims to. Does not have reverse polarity protection on the input or the output. And I mean, that's really about it. I haven't really had a chance to test this one. I don't know if you can see it. This one is labeled constant volt, or CV, and this one is possibly CC right there. So you can set the voltage and the maximum current. And what is this chip based on? It is, we have 2 chips on here. One, let's see, they're both hard to read. Looks like they're the same thing. F as in Frank, D as in David, 1038AN. So, I just purchased this because I needed something that can handle, you know, possibly up to 10 amps. Relatively simple. Really quick review. Let's see if there's anything more on it here. Working temperature -40 to +85 degrees. I'm guessing that's centigrade. I would expect that +85 would be awfully low for Fahrenheit. Size is 60 millimeters by 26 millimeters by 20 millimeters. And that's basically it.